Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna go from this to this. It is a beautiful Janelle Monae inspired look that I think would be perfect, absolutely perfect for New Year's Eve.
You'll need to begin with your hair stretched to get the sleekest result. It can be a twist out, blowout, or flat iron. I skipped using heat and am beginning with a simple fluffy twist out. First, mist your hair with water to help with hydration levels. Then smooth your favorite hair moisturizer on the links of your hair in smaller sections. Really make sure you moisturize your hairline as well. This part will be exposed to the winter weather, so you'll want to make sure you keep hydrating and moisturizing your edges as needed. Take a brush and smooth all of your hair up in preparation to put in a high ponytail at the crown of your head. Next, smooth your edges. You have a few choices: a high hold pomade, hair glue, gel, or wax. I'll be using this control edge glaze, which is like a combination of a wax and high hold gel. Wetting your hairline before applying the glaze helps with getting it to spread. Smooth your hair in an upward motion all the way around your head until you can put it into a high ponytail at the crown of your head. Eventually, you'll have a high, lopsided puff. Next, apply another layer of wax and style your edges. Okay, this step is completely optional. I'm not going to pretend like I do this regularly, but I think it does go well with the look and gives you a chance to be creative. The curlier your hair, the more you'll have to work to keep them laid. As a rule of thumb, if you can, tie a satin or silk scarf around your hairline so the hair dries laying down. Alright, while your hairline dries, we're going to be working with the loose hair of your ponytail. Grab a small section of hair from the center of the ponytail, twist, tuck, and pin the hair in place. This will act as an anchor for the high bun. If your hair is shorter, you may not need to fold the twist to pin it in place. The twist length should match how high you'd like your bun. For the next steps, you'll need U-shaped straight pins. Take small sections of the loose hair and wrap in one direction around the twisted anchor of the bun. Use the hair pins to secure the bun. Now, if you get to the last piece and the anchor twist isn't covered, unravel and wrap that hair around the bun as well. When you remove your scarf, you'll have a smooth, slicked high bun. Next, grab your rhinestones. Next is the fun part, the rhinestones. I'm using Got2b glued spiking hair paste. And then you're going to take the pointy end of a tail comb and place a dab of the glue on the scraps of a piece of plastic. I decided to go with this sheet of rhinestones. I'll link my products in the description box. Scoop a small amount of the glue with the end of your tail comb and place it on the flat side of the rhinestone. Then stick it to your hair. Repeat all over the hairstyle until you're satisfied. That could be a lot of rhinestones or very few. It's up to you.
So that is the perfect New Year's Eve look. Inspired by Janelle Monae with these rhinestones. It's such a simple look to do. It is a little time consuming with the rhinestones. It took about 35 minutes, but totally worth it for a show-stopping hairstyle to bring in that new year. Comment down below and let me know what your New Year's resolution is. Mine is to have more work-life balance or more integration into my schedule with my family, I would say. So I'm really looking forward to that. Let me know yours down below. If you're interested in hairstyles, I have a full playlist of hairstyles. And also if you're interested in knowing how to, grow your hair, I've got a whole playlist for that as well. If you have type 4 hair, this is the perfect place for you to be, and subscribe. I love y'all. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.